everyone, today I am going to show you how to make beef lok lak or beef stir fry with egg fried rice recipes. This is one of Cambodia's popular savory, soft and juicy beef stir fry served with golden egg fried rice. Fresh crunchy lettuce, onion, tomato, and salt pepper lamb sauce are unmissable accompaniment. Well, let's get into the flavor part. I'm gonna be using some ingredients that are also sold in Japan. There are
telling you this now, I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I won't give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me.
Firstly, we wash all of the vegetables and beef meat and put them in a clean bowl. Then start to prepare fried rice by chopping half onion and green onion into small pieces. You can skip it if you don't like its smell or taste.
1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel
Next, chop 5 cloves of garlic used for fried rice, stir-fried beef, and sauce. After that, mix 2 egg yolks to the rice. Mix it well until every grain is coated with egg yolk. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into a heated pan. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic and onion.
travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me.
Stir fry it until the garlic and onion are turned soft and fragrant. Doing this make the onion become more sweet, so we don't need to put sugar in this fried rice. Once the garlic become golden, add in the rice and fry it on medium heat to reduce some moisture. Season the rice with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And when the rice and soy sauce are cooked until fragrant, add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Last, put in chopped green onion and stir it well. Then the fried rice is ready. Secondly, we need 300 grams of beef for the beef stir fry. Before, cut the beef into small pieces. Next, combine oyster sauce 1½ tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce 1 tablespoon. Sugar ½ tablespoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Pepper ½ teaspoon. And cornstarch 1 teaspoon. After they are mixed well together, take 1 tablespoon of sauce, and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic into the beef. Mix it well and let it sit for 5 minutes. During this, chop onion and tomato into thin slices for decorating our plate. 5 tablespoons of water to the remaining sauce to keep for the beef stir fries.
Running out of time 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over. Now you got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark.
Thirdly, for dipping sauce, Cambodian salt half tablespoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, pepper 1 teaspoon, and lime juice 5 tablespoons.
Oh, we can make it for the world to see. 'Cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you. But will I ever see you again?
Finally, put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into a heated pan.
Arms around me, I will give my love to you.
Add chopped garlic
When I get there, I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you.
and stir fry it until golden brown.
When I get there,
Next, put in the beef, stir fry it for 2 minutes.
will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you?
After it is mixed well, pour in all the sauce and cook it for 3 more minutes.
I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my
Then it is done.
when I get there. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you?
As soon as place it on the top of the mixture.
When I get there. Will I see you when I get there?
Serve it and enjoy.